Hey everybody, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a healthy day, staying safe where you are. And today we're going to talk about organizing yourself with food containers. This was sent to me by a company called SOLEDI, so I appreciate them sending them to me. I've been using them and glad to share it with you. I will put a link to this set in the description where you get more information, ask questions, read reviews, and if it makes sense, you can order it. So appreciate you clicking on the link to find out more about them. Also a thumbs up if you find this video of help to you. And please subscribe to my channel, love new subscribers, and also the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos as they come out. So let's talk about what is included. So you've got total of 4 containers. You got the 4 liters, and then you have the 2.5 liters. Also comes with a measuring cup. So on one side, you've got the ounces and cup, and then the other is milliliters and cc. So nice plastic cup. Also, for labeling your containers, these do come with chalkboard stickers, so you can easily write on here and then identify what are in these items. So there are a total of 16, so you can take them off and read them. There is no chalk, but these are in there. Now, let's talk about just a few things. These are BPA-free plastic. It also is materials food grade. So those are the highlights. They do mention there is a hole, and I'm going to show you what I've used them for. But there is a hole up here, and it says a hole in the lid, but it's not like there's no air because it's supposed to be airtight. It's got an ergonomic grip as well. And also for opening, there's 4 different sides for opening. And then, of course, you have your rubberized gasket and then the lid. So nicely done. Now, what been using it for, and you can see these snap close, which is nice. I have some of these container bowls that are so hard to close, so these seem to close and snap easily. I use the 2.5 for my cereal. This opens up, and then I can just pour right into the bowl, and the lid, you could see, stays shut. So there you go. Now the other way I use it is for my grapes. So so you can use it for all sorts of food. You dry food, and then as you can see, this goes right in the refrigerator. And then lastly, I did a test. This is water just to show you here, that there is no air leakage. And in fact, you could see how the lid stays closed. So that's a pretty good test. A little nervous here, but I wanted to just show you how the gasket does hold up. So no leakage at all. So these are a real nice set. You know, they're very lightweight, obviously. It's plastic. And you've got the label, so you can put that on there and you're good to go. So let me know if you have any questions. Nice set, affordable, and you can keep yourself organized with these within your pantry closet, or in my case, the refrigerator as well. All right, everybody, have a great day. Hope you stay organized. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.